Hey, what's up guys? This is Jason with Buddha Farms coming to you Wednesday, April 18th, 2018. Alright, it's a beautiful day. You can see behind me, super sunny, about 80 degrees, nice little breeze. Spent a little bit of the day and yesterday actually getting some of this horse manure compost put onto the garden. I got a few beds built up with it, added onto it, planted some lettuce, radishes, some more carrots, some beets, some different things like that, and added it to some of the existing beds, the stuff that's going to grow a little longer, like the kale. I also got it side dressed with some beans and my outside peppers, cucumbers, okra, and tomatoes. But everything's going pretty good. I really think this horse compost is going to really help, you know, add that microbe, add that organic matter I don't have on this bare ground. So it should help everything grow a lot better. You know, crossing fingers, we've been getting a lot of requests for just everything we're saying we're growing. It's just not ready yet. So I think that's another little thing I've pretty much learned is plant a lot more than you think you need. I wanted to start, you know, real small, you know, get my feet wet, but the things that are growing well, the cucumbers that I'm pulling off of, I can't grow enough right now with the 20 or 30 plants that I have in the ground for the people that want them. They're buying our eggs. We've been having eggs for a while. My in-laws actually have 30 or something chickens. I have 15, and people have been snatching them eggs up as quick as they come out. Same thing with the cucumbers. As soon as they're grown, we make them available. People are buying them, and we need to grow a lot more. We're getting a lot of requests for kale and different other things, and I know it's going to come, but one of those things, I wish I would have started earlier. I wish I would have grew more, but again, first year, we're learning. This is going to help a lot, and we're gonna grow a lot more coming into the season. I know it's going to get really hot, so we might have to do some things about that. Some shade cloth over the hothouse, and maybe even put some like low, they call them low tunnels. It's like the high tunnel behind me, but it's a lower tunnel, just, you know, a little 2 foot tall. Use some shade cloth to cover everything in the field that it gets too hot. So all right guys, I appreciate y'all following. I know it's been a while since I posted, but thanks for following along. Talk to you guys later. Bye.